Yo, what's going on, guys? Gang? We lit back for another video, and today we're going to be doing a video on how to add guitar samples to your beats. Haven't done one of these in a while, so I thought, you know what, might as well try and do it again. But yeah, let's just go ahead and do it. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as you subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Tell them about that gang. Tell them about how that is over here. And also, don't forget to leave comments on videos that you do in the future in the comment section below. Yeah, let's get into this beat. I'm gonna see y'all on my computer. Peace. Alright, y'all, on my computer. I look for some guitar samples. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna find some guitar samples. I'm gonna try and find something that's not Buckethead, because I know Buckethead is one of the most overused guitar samples. So I've used it like over 1,000 times, but yeah, let's get into this. Alright, so I found my sample that I'm going to use. I was messing around with a few samples, but I decided to choose this one because it sounded the best for me. So here's what it sounds like, and yeah, see what we can do with it. Yeah, that's all it is. Very simple loop. Found it on YouTube. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably add some sounds around it and then go to the drums. Okay, we added second flute, or no, second sound to it, and it's the flute, of course. And here's what it sounds like. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. I'm gonna go ahead and try and add in one more sound, like maybe a bell or maybe even another guitar on it, but we'll see what we come up with. And then I'm gonna go straight to the drums and finish this beat up. So let's get to it.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so I did something by accident. Not really by accident, but like, so surprise, surprise, I added gross beat to the sample, and just look at that, it sounds even better. Have a listen. Doesn't that sound fire, man? That sounds tough. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to adding and looking for the third sound that I wanted to add to it, and we'll be heading straight to the drums. So let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so we found the third sound for our melody. It's ready to go. I'm about to play it for you guys right about now. Sounded pretty interesting. I don't know, man. Sound pretty dope. So without further ado, here it is. Kind of real nice and suspenseful, you know, man. It's about to be a banger. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the drums. I'm gonna start off with the hi-hats just because I want to add a bounce immediately to this thing. So alright, so let's get it started. Turn off the loop points, you know how it is. Alright, y'all, the hi-hat pattern is done. Now we're gonna just go choose a snare real quick. Alright, let's just choose this one. Turn off the loop points, of course, because they pissed me off. So let's just get regular snare pattern. Ooh, let's start from the beginning. Alright, before I continue, I think the guitar sample is off beat just by a little bit, so we're gonna fix that later, and we'll handle that later. But I'm just gonna continue with the drums for now. But yeah, man, it sounded, I don't know, man, it sounded pretty hot. You know what I'm saying? I think this is a certified banger. That's all I'm saying. It sounds pretty dope right now, so I'm gonna continue and let's finish it. I think the snares are done now. It's time to add the 808 and we're all done. So let's go ahead and do that. I don't know if I should use a plug 808 or a spins. I'm gonna use the spins. Alright, I just finished the 808 pattern, but I don't want to show you guys yet. I'm going to do the kick, then I'm going to show you guys the 808 together with kick, and all I can say is you guys are in, it's about to be something special. I'm telling you, it's intense. I have never made a beat this intense before, so just be patient. Alright, y'all, beat is finally done, and let's just say we have a
certified hood classic.
Okay, we have one of them ones. Okay, so without further ado, here is my guitar sample beat. But yeah, there you guys have it. There is my beat that I used making a guitar sample. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the beat. And man, don't forget, if you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to turn on post notifications after you subscribe. And also don't forget to comment and share the video. But yeah, man, there's my beat. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for showing your support. And I'm out of here. Peace.